guys, this is Dami Double G. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing for the 3DS Power Save. You can see me right behind here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the 3DS Power Save. I might want to pause the video right here and get a better angle, but I'm going to show you who this is addressed to. As you can see, this is addressed to Dom Palm. Yeah, awesome. Okay guys, so I kind of got this open. This, I guess. And then I guess I'm gonna have to ruin the box. You know, now I'm getting angry. Okay. We got some sort of rip. Oh. So this thing, it comes with this key on the back I can't show you, and that's how you get into the device. But, Dana, what the heck?
It fell out.
Well, this came in the box, and, okay guys, so sorry for the light cut there, my sister was getting me. So now I took this thing off, and this is the USB we're going to use. Okay, so that means we're going to just take this off. And we got the little power save actually put in here. So there's really nothing there's only 3 important things. Most of the time it's like, you don't need that. Don't need any of that, you just need this, and this. So, yeah, I'm going to go to the computer to show you guys how to install this thing. So, see you guys in 1 second. Okay, guys, so we got the 3DS Power Save downstairs by my computer, and I got my game, and so let's try this. So, first thing, shut up. So the first thing, I guess you got to plug this in. Nice, easy, fits in there well. It smells so bad down here. Okay. So now I guess we're gonna have to put our game in here. So how do you put your game in? It's nice, easy click again. You just put it in here and it just snaps in. Okay guys, so we are over here with the 3DS Power Save, and we're just going to get the USB and plug it in here. Is this the right way it goes in? Yeah, it's the right way. Okay, so it's plugged in. Let's turn on the computer. Okay, guys. So I'm now going to plug the Power Save in. Okay. So now, oh my gosh, be quiet, Snowy. So now it says to type in website that's named www.code junkies. I should probably type this in these. Okay, I'm going to start typing this in this. So it's www.codejunkies. Okay, I found it. It's right here. So it's now loading. Okay, so let's go down. Okay, so I guess I'll press. So now what does it say? Once I'm on the site, select your pro. Okay. Okay, so. No.
Congratulations! You have been selected to take part in an anonymous survey.
Please take our 30-second questionnaire. And to say thank you, you will be offered an exclusive gift.
That was not expected for. What in the world is... Okay, so it says right click. Wait. Select your power save option beneath this. Okay. Beneath the selection. Okay, so what is too much power on this computer? I swear to God. So, okay, so I think, so I just, wait. No. Do I need this? I don't know if I need this or not. Oh, yay, it's downloading. You can't see it, but it is downloading. So, okay. So we are now in the thing. So I think it said right click. Did I do this? Yes, copy here. Did I do it right? It's copying. Guys, I've never done this. It worked! It's right there! Oh yeah. So now I can delete this. Oh my gosh, guys. I think we did it. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. So now I think we just click this. Run. English. Okay. Okay. Next. Finish. Power save. Oh. Okay. So this is the power save. I am going to type this in off screen because I don't want you guys to see my email address. So, see you guys in a... Okay, guys, so I just did this. So, now I'm going to check... No. Hey! I'm going to full screen this. Oh my gosh, so we now got power save, guys. I got power save. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm totally going to do some of these. So, yeah, I'm guessing you just click the code, and then you just choose which one you want, and then you press apply. Once you've done this, you press apply, and then it does it. So, yeah, this is my power save, guys. This has been Dummy Double G signing out. Goodbye. This is awesome. See you guys later.